Hello guys, good evening to all. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our latest update. This is the latest one for this Sunday to Tuesday, April 28 to 30. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation Typhoon Preparedness Center in partnership with Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Sustainable with You. If you're interested to visit BPI Sustainable with You webpage, just click on the link here. And if you're watching via Facebook, just click on the link over the description of this video. Also, Avenue Plaza Hotel, the local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Ligacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. So let's begin with our update. It looks like we are still feeling the heat, okay, the high heat index all across the Philippine Islands. And for the past 2 days, it's already hitting around 50 to 51 degrees here in Naga City and parts of Camarines Sur. And today, in area of Central Luzon, the vicinity of Zambales, Iba Zambales to be exact, high heat index, extreme high heat index of 53 degrees centigrade has been recorded by Pag-asa. So as we move into the month of May, this is usually the hottest part of the hot fly season. So we expect heat index to still move within or past the 50 degrees centigrade. So expect for that. But alongside with that high heat index, we expect the development of localized thunderstorms as we move into the early portions of the development of the southwest monsoon. But so far that will come around June, and usually during May is the development of this convergence system or convergence zone known as the intertropical convergence zone, or ITCZ, wherein converging trade winds will generate more and more thunderstorms. And right now we have here to the south of Guam along the southernmost part of Micronesia near the equator between 4 to 7 degrees north latitude, and it's likely to bring heavy rains across the Republic of Palau, the federal states of Micronesia, as well as the Republic of the Marshall Islands. So this is a sign that we are now moving into the latter part of the hot fly season, because by June or even the last week of May is the early start of the wet season for the Philippine Islands. So we expect these kind of weather systems to develop, and likely there might be low pressure systems or even tropical cyclone to form within the next couple of months. And the average rainfall will not be expected. We are still expected to hit below average because of the ongoing El Nino, although we are now moving into the neutral part of the climate from the post-El Nino situation. And we expect these thunderstorms to more and more be frequent along the Philippine Islands, beginning over Mindanao and later on across Visayas, Bicol region, and portions of northern and central Luzon. And right now we have a very weak easterlies, which not expected to bring lots of thunderstorms, just a limited one. We have here over we have here over Camarines Norte, which formed late this afternoon. And also some areas of Mindanao and along the mountainous areas of northern Luzon. This is the fast animation, and you can clearly hear the establishment of the intertropical convergence zone at this part of as we move into the first week of May. And if we take a look at the zoom in satellite animation, you can clearly see here the development of a thunderstorm over the areas of Pangasinan and some areas of northern Luzon, likely over Isabela and the Cordillera Administrative Region, and here over some parts of central Luzon, Zambales, Tarlac, and likely Angeles. We'll also experience some localized thunderstorms, and we have one here as of 11 p.m. developing over to the east of Zambales, most likely in the vicinity of Angeles or in the vicinity of Pampanga. And the one over Camarines Norte has dissipated, and also in Zamboanga del Norte. And so far, as we take a look at the latest high heat index and temperature observations across the various automated weather stations of Typhoon 2000 all over the Bicol region, as of today, Sunday, April 28, we have the highest heat index, tide. Okay, this was observed over Mabulu, Naga City, and Calabanga, Camarines Sur with a high of 51 degrees. But the temperature, the highest, was recorded over Mabulu, Naga City at 37.5, while west of the city like San Felipe, Liboton, we'll have 50 degrees centigrade. Concepcion Pequeña 48, Concepcion Grande 47. In other areas of the Bicol region like Basud, Camarines Norte, also have 48 degrees. 48 degrees was also observed. In Sangay, that's over the eastern portion of Camarines Sur, or along the Partido district, we have also observed 44 degrees heat index. So Sagon 44, as well as Legazpi 43 and Virac at 42. And there's no area that has experienced rainfall at this time, although we have one over Santa Elena in Camarines Norte, but it's beyond the reach of our automated weather station. Okay, so don't forget to drink lots of water and avoid going out between 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. if you have health condition like high blood, hypertension, or heart problem. Okay, and here's the latest from our weather station, the what you call as the this is the running graph of the existing hot dry season beginning in March 1 until now, April 28. And we are now looking at a trend of increasing heat index. Today and yesterday we're around 50 degrees. So let's hope it will go down a little bit. But since we are now into the we are now moving into the month of May, we expect this to increase a little bit, but there might be a localized thunderstorm that will form. But so far for the next 3 days, there's still nothing to show. Okay, there's no weakening of this heat index, but we must pray that there might be rains to alleviate this extreme heat index. Okay, so for the rest of the Philippine Islands, like I said, the highest is along Iba Sabales at 43. So this is now the hottest for this hot dry season, together with the combined effects of the El Nino. As for the wind forecast from the European model from windy.com for the next 3 days, it will be generally easterlies along the eastern sections of the country until Monday. Okay, And if you take a look at the rain forecast during the afternoon for the next 3 days, tomorrow Monday, we expect again some thunderstorms over Cagayan Valley, isolated ones, as well as over southern and western Mindanao, Soxajan, Zamboanga Peninsula, and smaller areas, or 50% chance across central and eastern Visayas, as well as over Palawan. Tuesday afternoon, still, there will be a high chance of thunderstorms across Mindanao. That will also include Davao region. And lesser chances across the rest of the Philippine Islands, except for the western or the mountainous areas of the Cordillera Administrative Region and Ilocos region, where possibility of localized thunderstorms will be expected come Tuesday afternoon. And on Wednesday afternoon, the possibility of thunderstorm activity will still persist in the afternoon or early evening across northern Luzon, particularly over the mountainous areas of Ilocos region and CAR, as well as the northern portions of Cagayan Valley, while over Palawan, Mindanao, there might be a 50% chances of local thunderstorms, as well as over the Bicol region and some parts of western Visayas and occidental Mindoro. So that will be until May 1. And for the total rainfall accumulation until Tuesday, as you can see here, the bulk of the rainfall or thunderstorms are concentrated over Mindanao, since this is now the development of the intertropical convergence zone, which is moving from the east, and it might affect Mindanao. So this is much needed rainfall for the drought-stricken areas of Mindanao, although not much, but this is a sigh of relief. While the rest of the Philippine Islands will remain 50 to 30% chances of rain showers and thunderstorms. For the wave forecast for the next 3 days until Wednesday, it's all quiet across the coastal waters of the Philippine Islands, along the East Philippine Sea from east of Cagayan Valley until east of Davao region. The wave heights will be from 1 to 1.5 meters. Very safe and very light for sea travel. As we move into the inland areas of the Philippine Islands, the inland waters, as well as the western sections of the Philippine Sea or the West Philippine Sea, including the Calayan Island group, we expect calm to very light waves of below or just around 1 meter. Okay, so this is very suitable for fishing and sea travel. And that ends our update for today, Sunday evening, and we will return in the next couple of days, probably during the middle of the coming week. This is Mike Padua saying stay safe always, be #weatherwiser, drink lots of water to battle this high heat index, and thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.